Hello guys, welcome to Study with Saurav YouTube channel. Previous class we discussed about basics of Laplace transform, and today we are going to continue the second part. So guys, today I will prove Laplace of t is equal to 1 by s square and Laplace of e per power a t is equal to 1 by s minus a, and Laplace of e per power minus a t equal to 1 by s plus a. So let's start, friends. Laplace of t equal to 1 by s square. We have to prove. So f of t equal to t. So f of t equal to t. T is a function. So we are going to discuss. Already previous class I already told you that Laplace of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e per power minus st f of t dt. So this is the main formula. See, f of t, what is f of t? T. So we will take Laplace of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e per power minus st t dt. So here it came in uv form. So which is u and which is v, we have to identify. So we have one formula, uv rule of integration. uv rule of integration uv rule of integration. What is the formula of uv rule of integration? U integration v dx minus integration u dash integration v dx dx. So this is the uv rule of integration, friends. It is very easy. Please, Laplace of t integration 0 to infinity. So guys, which is u and which is v, we have to identify. So we have one formula, I late, late, I late. So I means inverse, L means logarithm, L means algebraic, T means trigonometric, E means exponential formula, next, which is coming first? This is exponential and this is algebraic. So which is coming first, algebraic or exponential? So algebraic is coming first. So t e per power minus st dt. So here u into v, this is correct way. So we are going to solve by this formula, uv rule of integration. So u, this is t is u and v is e per power minus st. What is u? T, this is nothing, integration e per power minus st dt. See, e per power minus st v, next minus integration u dash means derivative of t, means 1. So bracket integration v dx, v means e per power minus st dt. So this is the formula. Now we are going to solve e per power minus st. So integration of e per power minus st formula, already I told you that minus st by c, e per power minus st equal to e per power minus st by minus s. Coefficient of t, what is coefficient of t? Minus s. We have taken minus 1 minus s. So guys, listen carefully. What is the integration of e per power minus st? E per power minus st by minus s, take bracket, and 0 to infinity. and 1 integration of minus st, same formula, per power minus st by minus s dt, t per power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity. It came minus minus plus 1 by s came outside, and integration e per power minus st dt. So guys, listen carefully, it is very easy for understanding. 0 to infinity, same as it is, plus 1 by s. Again we are doing integration of e per power minus st. What is the integration of e per power minus st? E per power minus st by minus s dt. So we have to take 0 to infinity, sorry, dt will not come here, 0 to infinity. So guys, we are continue from here onwards. Now we have t e per power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity plus, sorry, minus plus minus. So we have e per power minus st by s square 0 to infinity. So first of all we will take infinity limit, infinity e per power minus s infinity by minus s, again minus, we will take 0 infinity, 0 e per power minus s 0 by minus s minus e per power, again we will take infinity, limit infinity, we will take e per power minus s infinity by s square, sorry, minus e per power minus s 0 limit by s square. So we have this, so see, multiply with infinity this and multiply with 0, so this whole term will become 0. We have this one, multiply with infinity, so it will be 0, and minus we have, see, e per power 0 into minus s, e per power 0 by s square. So we got 0 minus, so minus minus plus e per power 0, e per power 0 means here 1 by s square, so equal to 1 by s square. So guys, Laplace of t equal to 1 by s square proved. See guys, next one, how we are going to prove. What is f of t? F of t equal to e per power at. So guys, we know that formula, Laplace of f of t equal to integral of 0 to infinity e per power minus st f of t dt. So f of t equal to e per power at. This is e per power at is a function. So now we are going to prove Laplace of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e per power minus st f of t dt. Laplace of f of t, in place of f of t we have taken e per power at, integration 0 to infinity e per power minus st e per power at dt. So integration 0 to infinity, already we know that guys formula, e per power at into e per power, suppose here e per power t, so it has logarithm formula, e per power a plus t, it will come like this, a plus t. So we have easier, and we will take s minus c like this. 0 to infinity e power power minus s minus a t, sorry, same term will come here. In 0 to infinity, we know that formula, e power power, already know, I told, e power power e minus at by, sorry, e power power minus at equal to e power power minus at by minus a. This is the formula, and now we are going to write that. It will not come, e power power minus s minus at by minus s minus a. 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity means, first of all, we will take that infinity, e power power minus s minus a infinity by s minus a minus, now 0 limit will come, s minus a into 0 by minus s minus a. So friends, this 0 into infinity into minus s minus a will become whole, will this term will become 0 because infinity is here. Minus minus plus e power power 0 into something 0 by s minus a. So guys, e power power 0 means 1 by s minus a. So L means Laplace of e power power at equal to 1 by s minus a. Similarly guys, similarly Laplace of e power power minus at equal to 1 by s plus a. So guys, if anyone is new, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to comment, and which subject you would like us to start with, comment me. And please guys, friends, follow us on Instagram, which is on the screen.